What's up, everybody? The video you're about to see is actually me working on the car this morning. I was going to show it in full length, me doing the entire lower control arm, but then it didn't happen because the battery died on the camera. So it's been charging. It is now, what, 10:45? Hanging out. Stephanie, Austin, this kid. What's up, Justin? Justin's not very excited. Where are we going?
Miniature golfing.
Miniature golfing and to ride rides and stuff at Hollywood Connection. I'm excited. You excited?
I'm excited.
They have a deal for Labor Day. Instead of being like $75 for a family pass for 5 people, it's $30 today. So we're gonna go and take Austin and his buddy Justin. We're gonna go ride rides, bumper cars, carousel, mini golf. It's gonna be awesome. Good times. Best way to feed Boy and his friend? Free hot dogs at RCA. Yes! Don't fall.
Yeah.
You alright? What'd you get on yours? How come Justin's almost done with his and you're not done with yours?
Mustard, ketchup, and lettuce.
How come he's almost done with his and you're not done with yours? You don't want to go mini golfing? Guys, what are we doing?
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Watching cars.
Watching race cars? Watching race cars? This is actually what I plan to do with the Festiva. Shortly, hopefully. Bunch of Miatas out here. Those Miata motors fit right inside of a Festiva. We are out here actually right across the street from where we're going to go mini golfing and have fun. And they're doing SCCA racing, Sports Car Club of America racing. So we're going to watch this for a minute.
Like, there's a really fast cricket in my phone.
Stephanie lines up her putt. Not bad. Not bad, but a lot better than your first one that ended up over there. Oh. Hit it, bud. Go! You guys ready? Justin! You guys ready? It's too scary for me. Stephanie! Woo! Where are you guys going?
Up there. Yeah, we're...
You guys having fun?
Uh-huh.
You having fun?
Yes, it'll be fun.
Justin won. He'll let you out, I'll bet. What's up, guys? So we are outside. It's beautiful. What's up, baby? Not doing much tonight, just watching some Pawn Stars and Pickers. Did have a busy day. It was really good times hanging out. I want to show you guys a couple things. One thing I did today is, like I said, I did the lower control arm on that side, but I also tinted my corner lights. And I don't have my, ooh, I can turn on the emergencies, that'll do them. But I tinted those. I've wanted to tint them, and I actually came up with the smart idea of, oops, I guess it's my corners. Wait, I thought those blinked. What do I know? When do those turn on?
I don't know.
Maybe it's only with the blinker. Boy, maybe I need my keys. But off. I tinted these, and I actually did it with radio control car tint, stuff that I sprayed on it. And speaking of radio control car, I no longer have my Wraith. My Wraith that was my baby that I did all the work on. I no longer have it. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Is it too dark in here? It's too dark. Underneath that blanket in there sits Austin's, most likely Austin's Christmas present. We're still deciding, especially her. Still working on it, but there's a fancy little thing with 2 wheels that says Honda on it underneath that blanket, and I traded straight up my Wraith for that little Honda. So anyway, I'm pretty stoked, pretty excited. Should we end the vlog now? We probably should. About bedtime for boy. You have a fun day?
Very fun.
What was your favorite part?
Bumper cars was pretty
You're
fun.
supposed to say being with me.
Being with Gabe was the funnest part.
Lies. Love you.
Fun being with you on bumper cars.
I love you.
Love you too.
No, say goodnight to the vlog.
Watch, subscribe, play bumper cars, spruces.